How to put Pinterest link on Instagram bio. To get started, go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. Go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Then, select View Profile at the top. Here, you can view your profile picture, username, followers, and following list. You can also view your pins below. Tap on the share icon at the top right corner if you want to share your profile. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Then, tap on Copy Link. Now, go back and open up the Instagram application. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage where you can view and explore posts. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. Here, tap on Edit Profile. Then, go to the Bio section and paste the link you just copied over here. After that, tap on Done at the top right. Following these steps, you can easily put Pinterest link on Instagram bio.